Welcome to my new affiliate program I just launched where you can earn up to $322 per sale in the Untapped Contractor niche. This is, like I said, you earn 50% throughout the funnel, and it's a done-for-you system, and it's a really great product. The contractors are going to love it themselves, agencies, and it has mass appeal in a very growing, in-demand niche. So here's the deal. If you like what you see on this, I'm going to go through everything in my affiliate program. And if you have a list of maybe you got a list of agencies or a list of contractors, or you do work for contractors, agencies, anything this might fit, you want to join this affiliate program, there's going to be 2 steps. The first step, you got to sign up for the affiliate program. That's going to be the first link. Everybody's got to do that. And the second link is going to be the link to promote my offer here. And I'm going to go through that right now. That'll all be in the video description box directly below. I also include all the done for you, and this is details about the program, how much you can earn, about the product. Contractors lose jobs every single day because they take too long to send quotes. They get a lead, the lead is hot, but by the time they put together a proposal, the prospect has already hired someone else. The Contractor Calculator Suite solves this problem fast. It gives contractors 6 ready-to-use calculators, no coding needed, no tech headaches. Just plug it into their start and start closing more jobs. Each calculator is built for a different type of job, and it tells you the different types of jobs, and they're all in the hottest niches right here. This is a funnel breakdown, custom calculator build, how much it costs. Normally agents will charge $500 to $1,000 to install just one calculator on a customer site, on a contractor site. You're getting 6 different calculators that can be installed in literally minutes for less than half that. And this is the price breakdown. This is a step 1, and the step 2. This is where I'm going to leave in my in the YouTube video description below. And then I also have a 5-day done-for-you email sequence. You can just plug these into your email if you got a list that this product would appeal to, which is a lot if you do work with any local businesses, tradesmen, agencies. This is going to be a perfect fit for your list. Social media swipes, I got Twitter posts, Facebook posts, LinkedIn posts, YouTube short scripts, TikTok scripts. So I got everything all done for you in the affiliate area. I also got banner image prompts. You can use these prompts to create professional banners. And there's an affiliate fact at the bottom here. But I got all kinds of cool stuff. So if you're interested in promoting this, which you should be, awesome product. Like you said, you can check it out. I'm going to leave a link to the sales page of the product as well. That'll be the 3rd link. So you're going to get the first link is where to sign up. Second link's the offer that you're going to be promoting, which is this, what I'm showing you right now, and a hot in-demand niche. And the 3rd link is going to be the actual sales page so you can see what you'll be promoting exactly. So with that being said, thanks for watching this video. You guys go sign up directly below. Links are all below. This is a great product, and I'm going to actually show you the sales page before I end this video. And this is the sales page for the video itself. What you're going to be promoting, you can come on over and check that out as well. So with that being said, we're going to end this video on that note. Links are directly below. Go on and sign up. And if you have any questions, shoot me a comment directly below in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer that for you as well. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.